Hi, everyone from the era when electronic devices tumbled. Are the highest quality microphones the most expensive? Or is it possible to get quality sound with the right fine adjustments? Let's start. Let's turn our Android device into a quality microphone. Let's set this wirelessly. Since we will be making our microphone settings wirelessly, I recommend that the application run with high priority on the network. So how is this done? You can do this by going to Task Manager and right-clicking on the application in the Application Details section. If you want the application to run with high priority every time we open it, enter the directory where the application is located and send it to the desktop as a shortcut. Then right-click on the shortcut and add the code you see on the screen. When you add this code, the application will run with high priority while you run it from the shortcut. As you can see, the application is running with high priority. Now, we can test our audio connection by making. The application transfers audio in 4 different connection options. Our first option is to transfer audio via Wi-Fi connection. The computer and phone must be connected to the same network. You can start the connection by running the application on your phone and entering the IP address into the application on your computer. We verified that the audio transfer over the wireless network was successful. By activating the USB option from the computer and phone, we can also transfer audio via cable. If your computer has Bluetooth feature, run the application after pairing the 2 devices. You can select the phone from the paired devices and start audio transfer. To use the Wi-Fi Direct feature, you need to activate the hotspot feature on the computer. Then we connect the Android device to the computer's hotspot connection. When we enter the IP address of the phone and start audio transfer, we can use it wirelessly. As you can see, we have examined audio streaming through 4 options. Now, you can try budget-friendly wireless microphones at home before buying an expensive one. See you in new useful videos. Follow us and turn on notifications.